Hey guys, welcome back to another new vlog. This is the Grand Vitara 1.5 all-wheel drive, and straight away we'll go start with the engine. This is the 1.5 naturally aspirated petrol engine, okay? And it produces around 105 bhp and 138 Nm of torque, okay? And if you see, these are the DRLs, and this is a bi-beam projector, okay? This is your 17-inch alloy, which comes with 215/60 R17 as the sizing. Okay. Here is your 360-degree camera, and then this is, you have the indicator over here. This is your keyless entry, and we'll go straight away to the boot first, and then once we open it, you get 393 liters of boot space, but it is generally more than Creta. It is just on the figures that isme nahi hai, and you get a cost-cutting space saver. Okay, you don't get an alloy, which is the same size, but it is not an alloy. Okay, तो इसको बंद करेंगे अभी, and then we'll go and sit in the car. Okay, we'll open this. If you can see, you have ample amount of leg room, and for a height of 6 feet, you can see there's good space here. Baki, you get ambient lighting here. And this is your whole leather finish, which is finished in cherry brown. Okay, this is your rear view AC vents, and this is the whole dashboard. Okay guys, so this is the 1.5 all-wheel drive variant. इसमें सिर्फ manual आता है, and you get this whole all-wheel drive selector, and you get only analog dials if you see. Okay, this is the 9-inch infotainment system, which comes with Suzuki Connect, and this sunroof is the largest in the segment. And if you see, if you come back here, there are around 6 speakers. Here is the shark fin antenna, and this is the whole panoramic sunroof, which slides whole till here. पूरा 70% जाता है. Then you get keyless entry on both the sides, and if you see, यहाँ पे this is the glove box. ठीक है, it is actually a great size. Get good amount of space for the bottle holder, and this is the front armrest. If you see, you get good amount of space here, and this is your sunglass holder. ठीक है. Baki, these are ventilated seats. These come with ventilation. And if you see, यहाँ पे these are the mirrors with vanity lights, which are halogen. Then this is the auto rear view outside mirror. ठीक है, these are also halogen lights. Then this is your whole infotainment system. This is the 5-speed gearbox with traction control, and this is the auto start stop button. ठीक है, this is the analog instrument cluster, and here is the same old 10 years. The same key functioning. The driver side is auto up down, okay, and this is the start stop button, which is finished with the chrome element. Then this is your side door, which comes with leather over here and chrome door handle. This has ambient lighting here with settings for 3, and as you can see, when you open the door, you can see all of those things in the infotainment cluster. And when we go to the driver side, so coming to the driver side, you get 6-way adjustable seats, which are manual, and this is your fuel pump button and the bonnet button. Over here, as you can see, there is the downhill assist, and this is the button for the 360-degree camera. This is the headlight leveler, okay. And then here you have electrically foldable mirrors. This is the auto headlamp function, auto wipers. Then when you sit inside, you'll notice that the third of the car is not Maruti like, and which is a very good compliment, because this car feels tough and you have a very commanding position. And this car doesn't get the heads-up display. It's offered on the hybrid section. This is non-hybrid. This is mild hybrid with 1.5 K15C engine. Okay, this is how the dashboard looks like. 5-seat manual. Then you get your charging socket here, USB here, traction control button. Then this is your modes for infotainment. This is your cruise control. These are for your calling functions, and yeah, that's it. Baki, nothing more is here. This comes with a little leather finish in cherry brown. This is how it looks like. Here is the main thing which differentiates it from its sister, the 1.5 strong hybrid. This is the lock button for the all-wheel drive system. You get sports mode, snow mode, push auto, drive mode select. This is how it looks like. So guys, it's a pretty amazing car. Baki, I'll just turn it on and show you the indicators and show you the DRLs. Okay, rest, I'll just show you the sunroof if possible. Wait, if possible I can just turn on. Just a sec. I'll just turn it off. And if you see the sunroof guys, काफी ज़्यादा खुल जाती है. ये पूरा पीछे तक जाता है. I mean, how cool is it guys? Just look at this. And generally गाड़ी सिर्फ यहाँ तक जाती है. Just look at this. ये पूरा पीछे जाएगा. This is the largest sunroof offering in its segment. ठीक है? We'll close it because it's very hot right now. And that's how it looks. If you see यहाँ पे you can change your modes. ठीक है? And ये वही ऐसे करना पड़ता है. You can change all this from here. ठीक है? बाकी this is your infotainment system which has your fuel economy, your tire pressure monitor. Then it comes with Suzuki Connect. This is your my battery system. This comes with a very good sound system. ठीक है? It has 6 airbags, traction control, then vehicle stability control, and all of those things. ABS, EBD are standard. Baki guys, if you see, this is a very great car. Baki third and all, everything is amazing. ठीक है? And this is how it looks on the side. Wait, I've closed it, right? Perfect. So guys, इसका length is around 4400 mm. ठीक है? And ground clearance is way more than 190. And this being an all-wheel drive, it can easily do soft-roading. For example, going in snow, going in mud, sand, everything. It is capable of that. Then this is the 360-degree camera. One is here and one is placed here, if you can see. And one is at the back side, which is the normal placing where you get, okay. So if you see from the back, this comes with the whole like tail light. So like, you know, this whole thing is fully LED. These are halogens. And if you see, this is the all-wheel, all-grip variant. So badging is there, smart hybrid system is here. This is how it looks like. You can see the rear also comes with the disc, which is very nice. And the whole aage wala is also with the disc. Suspension is new and it is made in partnership with Toyota. So there are two engines mainly. One is the K15C, and one is the Toyota hybrid engine. So the Toyota hybrid engine comes, उसमें क्या रहता है, the car works on EV as well. So this is the all-wheel drive variant. So the sister car, which is Toyota Hyryder, both of them are priced similarly. And if you see the ex-showroom price of this is, on-road price Mumbai would be around 20 lakh, 53,000. For the hybrid variant, it is 23 lakhs. Okay? And the hybrid comes with CVT. This comes with manual 5-speed gearbox. The CVT is like that. And this is how you see, this is the front look. And this is the side look. And I've come courtesy to Kolhapur Nexa. So whoever wants to book their car, whoever are from Kolhapur, can come here and just take a look. And yeah, subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll pin Google Maps location for the same, and you guys can come here and check out the cars. It's amazing. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Thank you so much.